Hi, in this video we'll cover how to set up the Stratos Multi for use with the SE740 digital oxygen sensor. We'll begin by wiring in the transmitter and the sensor. Over here you can see we have the power for the transmitter. And here we have sensor 1 terminal block wired in. Terminal block 1 here will be left empty. Terminal block 2 will have the gray for the RS-45A communication. Terminal slot 3 will have the pink for RS-45B communication. Terminal block 4 will have the brown wire here for the ground. And lastly, here on the left, we'll have terminal block 6, the white wire for power out. This black wire will be unused. Once we have that properly wired in, we will install it here. Close the back lid here. Go ahead and close up on the transmitter. We'll start here at the main menu. Scrolling over to parameter settings, we will select administrator level, enter our passcode, and scroll down to sensor selection. Because this is wired into the first terminal slot, we will select sensor selection 1. We have process variable set to oxygen. We need to change the mode here to other digital. Functionality, you can then select SE740, and it will now connect to the sensor. We can go back. That will pop up here. So you can see the manufacturer, the serial number, and the time of the last calibration. Closing this, we will be in the menu. The next setting we can go to is inputs and outputs. We'll go to current outputs, current output 1, set it to on. And this is the variable that we will set up that will be carried out on the first 4 to 20 output. We go to variable here. We can see we have a list of variables that we can choose from. For the purpose of this video, we will send this to saturation percentage air. Characteristic will be linear. Output either on 4 to 20 or 0 to 20. We will select 4 to 20. Start will be at 0% air. And the end we will set to 25% air. That being selected there, we can select back. We go into our second output, set this to on. This is set up for temperature, but again, there's a list of variables we can choose from here. Characteristic linear, output 4 to 20, start 32. For this purpose of this video, we'll change it to 106 degrees, 0.4 Fahrenheit. Going back, the last thing to configure on this will be the measurement display. In general, scroll down to measurement display. For this test, we'll set 2 values, but if more needed, you can select more. 4 values, 6 or 8 values. We'll have our first measure value be saturation percent air, our second be saturation percent oxygen. And going back to the measurement screen, here's what that would look like. Again, if other variables need to be configured, they can be done in that setting. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us through email or